In this video, I'll help you properly set up your HiSense 4K Google TV for the first time. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have connected the power cable at the back of your HiSense 4K TV and plug it into power. After that, we will turn it on using our HiSense TV remote, and we will need to start by choosing our region. Then you'll get a prompt to either set it up as Google TV or Basic TV. But using a Basic TV, you'll only be able to access Live TV, so we will go with Setup Google TV. Now you can either set it up using the Google Home app or set it up right on your TV. We will go with the latter. Now connect your TV to a Wi-Fi using the password. After that, it will start checking for updates and download any if necessary. Now the next and most important step is signing in using your Google account. So log in using your email ID and password. After that, you'll need to accept the terms of services. From the next page, you'll be able to toggle off location and additional data permission. Make your selection and hit accept. After that, choose whether you want to receive emails from Google. We will opt out. Now follow these prompts to enable Google Assistant. After that, you'll be able to pair your HiSense TV remote via Bluetooth. To do that, point your remote at your TV from a short distance, then hold the home and the back button together for at least 3 seconds. Keep holding it until you see it says pair remote. Then you'll need to agree again to HiSense's terms and conditions. So select all and hit accept. Now, to be able to use Google Assistant even when your HiSense TV is turned off, you'll need to enable this option. So select turn on. Press next on Apple AirPlay and hit done. Now you'll need to give it a couple minutes to finish setting up your HiSense Google TV. And during this process, make sure not to unplug your TV from power. You'll just get a few more pop-ups to activate some features, such as multiple profiles. But we'll select Go to Google TV, and now you're ready to start enjoying your favorite content on your HiSense Google TV. But before that, you can check out this video where we show you how to get the best picture settings so that you can get the most out of your HiSense 4K Google TV. And that's all. If you found this helpful, then leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more guides on HiSense TV, and I'll see you in the next video.